everyone, welcome back to High Vis Driz. I'm here with the KRX today. We're going to do the shock therapy. The back was starting to sag pretty bad, and the front was, it's getting down a little bit, but nothing like the back. The back was down like 3 inches, or 3.5. But anyway, so I decided I was going to do one before I decided to do this on camera. So I got one done already, as you can see. I just wanted to make sure I actually knew what the heck I was doing before I showed everyone else that it's really not that hard. The shock therapy video is really good. Like, they tell you exactly how to do it. I mean, they're bang on. So you can either watch that, and maybe you'll find this one just interesting, where their machines are at, or the shocks are actually on the machine. So anyway, I'm going to do this other back one, and yeah, see what's good. Now these ones here, they say on the video you got to drill it out, but that is a little screw that you can actually pull off that, so you don't have to drill at all. There we go. And that just threads out. Maybe the older ones you had to drill, I'm not sure, but there you can hear it coming out. So there's all the nitrogen gone. And next, let me see if I can that. Next, you just push up on this cap. It doesn't go up very much, just enough to release the little clip in there. The guys in the shock therapy video, they use one of the nice little hooks to do it, but I can't seem to find mine, so I'm using just a little flat blade. As you can see, it makes it a little bit more of a pain in the butt. I'll get her here. There we come. There, little clip pops out. And then grab your next bigger screwdriver. Give it a little pop. Try to work your way around a little bit. There it goes. Come on, baby. And wiggle here. There she comes, just like that. Good. Then I take the little screw and I just put it back in the cap so you don't lose it. That. Then grab your rag, clean up the inside of this thing a little bit, get rid of all that dust and stuff that just kind of settles in them little grooves. Perfect. And also, while you're at it, you may as well clean up your clip. Yeah, it's all clean. Grab your cap, set it to wherever you want the logo facing. I wanted mine facing out. Sorry to line it up so it's yeah. If you just push it in, there we go. And then just grab your clip, put that back in there. Just make sure it seats all the way around. Once it's in the right spot, you can just barely touch it and she'll spin right around in there. So Yeah, we're good. Okay, and now we just got to refill it. Take off the cap to the Schrader valve. Now me, sure, some guys just, put the caps on and then take it somewhere and fill it up, but I live in the middle of nowhere. So I went ahead and bought the whole setup just so I could do it. Take your nitrogen. And straight it onto your valve so she's locked on there. Do that, would you? That. I've been giving her just a little tiny touch to make sure it's good. Thread this in to shove in the valve. Now make sure you're set to 200. Open this up and let her fill. You're at that at 200. 200 just a touch over right there.
Here I got a little bit of nitrogen back because I forgot to press the pressure release on the regulator. So, if you have one of those, you can do that. And other than that, that's pretty much it. Just put the cap back on. I tightened them up a little tiny bit with the wrench. I didn't want them to vibrate loose coming down the trail. And after my first ride, when I got back, it was actually had 14 inches of clearance in the rear and same on the front, and that was at 10 psi air pressure in the tires all the way around. So I mean, if you pump them up as hard as they tell you to, then chances are you'd have another inch there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. Tell me how wrong I did it. And anyway, thank you.